Hello YouTube. So today's video is about oil change and basic knowledge about doing a proper oil change. Specifically, I'm talking about the drain plug and some of the critical things that you need to know about. So first of all, this is a drain plug that came out of my Acura TL, but it really doesn't matter what vehicle it came out of. And you can see the plug, as far as the surface of it, is pretty mangled. And I bought the car not too long ago, so from what I understand, the previous owner, they've always had the oil changed at these quick loop type oil change places. So I had a hard time getting this thing off when I did the oil change, and no wonder why. And so what I did was, at first I was using a socket that had these what they call 12-point sockets, right? So you can see there are 12 points where they make contact with the bolt, or in this case, with the drain plug. And the thing would just slip, and no wonder. After about 3 tries, I just said, I got to stop, because it was probably doing some irreversible damage. So then what I did was, I said, what I need to do is try the 6-point socket, like this one. This is what they call 6-point socket, which is, as the name implies, you only have 6 points to contact. What this does is it grips the plug, the drain plug, a lot better than the 12-point. So probably won't be able to actually demonstrate it, but once the socket is put onto the bolt, you can pretty much feel that it's very snug. Once I used this kind of a socket, and it was pretty tight, so I had to use a breaker bar to get the drain plug off. All right, so that's an idea as far as how to get the drain plug off of the vehicle. Now, as you can see, I'm even having kind of a hard time with my one hand trying to get it to separate from the socket. And the next thing I want to talk about is the fact that you can see there's actually a washer there underneath the bolt, and whoever did the oil changes before, they never replaced it, and they just kept using the same washer and crushed it to the point that even the base of the drain plug is being compressed. This is not good. This will eventually cause a leak. Even though I got lucky and I was able to save it in time, and obviously I bought a new drain plug from the dealership. I mean, it cost me $20-some to get a new drain plug, but obviously I couldn't put this back in the car. So what needs to happen is, every time that you change the oil, you need to replace the washer with a new one, like this one. Okay, you can see this thing is still obviously this is new, so it's maintaining its thickness, but you can see whoever did this, they kept using the same drain plug, and it's pretty much squeezed and squashed. And so this, eventually this was going to cause a big problem. Either you can't get the drain plug off the oil pan, or it would have been leaking. So I guess the point of the video is use a 6-point socket to remove the drain plugs, and then once you do the oil change, every time replace the washer. Don't reuse it. This is so cheap that I don't see why anybody would skip this step. So hopefully this helps you, and if you like the video, please hit like and subscribe, and may God bless you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.